to the Knowledge Find viewers. Today I am going to show you regarding the for loop condition. In previous I have discussed with you regarding the if condition in the previous video. Today let me see for loop. Normally we are using for loop in every programming language. All are same concept. If you want to repeat something or loop it again and need to do it again and again, you need to use some loop conditions. As like that, you need to use this type of looping. The for loop is also one of the type of looping concept. But in each programming languages, all concepts are same, but some syntax are different. Let me see the for loop in Python. Today I am going to do the practical in the same platform, Visual Studio Code. Here I am going to create the Python file. First, you need to name that file. So you can provide any of the name, but you should remember to put the extension.py after the name. Okay. First, I'll explain the syntax for the for loop. Normally, for loop start with for, and here we are using some variable to loop the statement again and again. Here I am creating the variable. The variable name is num. And when you are looping something, you need to provide the range. Between this range to this range, you need to loop it. So you need to define that. So I need to provide the range to iterate time. So I'm using 5. I need to iterate 5 times. So you need to provide int because you are storing the range in the particular variable. The variable name is num. And when you are ending the for loop condition, you need to provide this colon syntax. Then under the for loop, you need to run the statement. Here you can add the display message which you want to iterate. Here I am going to concatenate the looping number and the string. That's why I am using this F. And I am using the run to print. That is, run is a statement. And upon this, I need to provide the increment of the number because we are taking the number at the initial stage. The number is 0. That is the starting point of the new number. So we need to increase the value for the num variable. Then only we can iterate until 5. So here I am giving some statement. Num should be increased by 1. So then only user will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why I type num plus 1. And I'm going to save it and I'm going to run it. Yes, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I change this range 10, you will get run 1 from run to run 10. Sorry. If I get 100, I'm going to run it. You will get run 1 to run 100. So I hope you will understand the concept, basic concept for for loop. Let me take another example. I'm going to loop a string word. So I'm going to loop string word. I'm storing the string word upon the variable. The variable name is word. This is string. That's why I'm putting the word between the inverted commas. And here I'm going to use the for. Actually, I need to display this Python, and I'm going to display the Python words characters one by one. I'm going to display Python likewise. So let me see. So when I'm looping this Python's character one by one, I need some temporary variable to store and loop it. So here I'm using the letter, that is the temporary variable, and I'm going to store the loop that each character from the word variable, because the Python is stored upon the word variable. And here I'm going to print. I need to print the character. So the character will be stored upon this letter. Yes. Yes, here I am going to loop it. Yes. Like this manner you will get the output. So the next thing, in previous video I have told regarding the odd and even number printing using if condition. Here I am going to use both if and for loop condition, and I am going to print some certain number. Those numbers are odd numbers. I am going to print those certain odd numbers. So let me see. Print odd numbers using for loop plus if condition. So here I'm going to start that. Yes. First I need to take some numerical range, then only I can define the print statement. So I'm going to take number in range and providing 1, 11, that is the range. Then only here we will get the odd numbers start from 1 to 11. So here I need to use the mathematic expression. Normally in previous video also I have told regarding the mathematic expression, how we can analyze whether it is odd number or even number. When we are dividing any of the number by 2, when the remaining it is measured by this syntax, when the remaining should be 0, this is even. If not, that is odd number. The same arithmetic logic that we are going to use. So we are going to use the same if condition. So here I am going to use the if condition inside the for loop. I am going to take that num, and when we are dividing this num by 2, at that time the remaining is equal to 0. That time we need to print the even number, but here we need to print the odd number, so we can provide the continue statement. At that time we can continue, and here we can print, else we can print odd number, and I need to concatenate this num. Yes, let I run it. Yes, you can notice we are getting the odd numbers from 1 to 11. We are getting the odd number between 1 to 11. If I changing this range to 46, we will get the odd numbers from 1 to 46. You can provide the range like 100 also. Then only at that time you can get the odd numbers from 1 to 100. So that is the thing. I hope you got the sufficient knowledge regarding the for loop, how we need to follow, what are the things should we remember when we are doing the looping function, and how to interconnect both if condition and for loop. How can we use the for loop for numerical value and string value? So let me meet in another video. Thank you. Bye.